Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a Heffer's latest filing, and let me tell you, it's like finding out your favorite restaurant is suddenly paying you dividends. Sounds too good to be true? Let's see what the numbers say. In this video, we are going to focus on the company's intention to pay regular dividends to investors. Before we start, if you appreciate getting straight insights from corporate documents, make sure you're subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below. The report kicks off by stating the date of the earliest event reported, which is May 2, 2020-2025. This is basically just setting the stage for what's to come in the filing. Next up, we see the formal name of the company, EVERTEC Incorporated. It's important to know exactly who we're talking about. They're incorporated in Puerto Rico, and they have a specific tax ID number, which is all standard stuff for a company report. This is a Form 8K filing which companies use to report major events that shareholders should know about. Think of it as an urgent update button for investors. The company has its common stock listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol EVTC. This means you can buy and sell shares of EVERTEC on the stock market. Now we get to the heart of the matter, Item 701, which is all about regulation fair disclosure. This is where companies announce information that could affect the stock price, ensuring everyone gets the news at the same time. Here's the big news. On May 2, 2025, EVERTEC's board said they're going to pay a regular quarterly cash dividend of $0.05 per share on the company's stock. This is like a small reward for owning a piece of the company. The board expects to keep paying this dividend in future quarters, but they also note that it depends on approval and could change based on how the business is doing or what's happening in the market. Think of it as a we hope to keep doing this but no promises kind of situation. If you're a shareholder, you'll get that 0 on June 6, 2025, but you need to be a stockholder of record by May 13, 2025. That just means you need to officially own the stock by that date to get the dividend. The company is also including a press release as Exhibit 99.1, which gives more details about this dividend announcement. It's like the official PR version of the story. Now let's break this down in plain English. EVERTEC is saying we're doing well enough that we can start paying our shareholders a little something every quarter. A dividend is essentially a thank you from the company to its investors. It's a sign that they're confident in their financial health and want to share the profits. However, there's a catch. The board is saying they intend to keep paying this dividend, but it's not guaranteed. It's subject to change based on business conditions and market factors. So while it's good news, it's not a promise set in stone. What does this dividend mean for the average investor? First, it's a small return on your investment in addition to any potential stock price gains. Second, it can be seen as a vote of confidence from the company. They believe in their future prospects enough to share their cash with shareholders. But keep in mind that the dividend is not the only factor to consider when investing. You should also look at the company's overall financial health, its growth prospects, and the risks it faces. Now, my take on EVERTEC based on this filing is cautiously optimistic. The fact that they're initiating a regular dividend is a positive sign. It suggests they're generating consistent profits and have a healthy cash flow. However, the board's caveat about future dividends being subject to change is a reminder that things can change quickly in the business world. One notable risk is the fact that their ability to maintain or increase the dividend will depend on their future performance, which is never guaranteed. Market conditions, competition, and other factors could all impact their profitability. Overall, this dividend announcement is good news for EVERTEC shareholders, but it's important to keep a close eye on the company's performance and the broader market environment. Alright, that's our breakdown of EVERTEC's latest dividend announcement. What's your take on this dividend and what it signals for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.